Hello guys, so today we have these two uh, APS-C vlogging cameras. So we have the Canon R50 and the Zv-E10. So we will try to compare these two camera side by side comparison, guys. Actually it's actual test, actual comparison, because we will take a video, 4K video on the Zv-E10 side by side with the R50 in real life vlogging. So again, we will use only the camera. We will not use any microphone. We will use also the built-in microphone from both R50 and the Zv-E10. So let's check the quality, and also we will test the focusing, how fast the focusing of the Zv-E10 and the R50. So without further ado, let's compare now, guys. But again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography and videography gears. And yan. If you have any question, you can comment also. So again, let's start now. So let's start now to vlog with these two camera. Side by side, I have here the Sony Zv-E10, and here is for the Canon R50. So both side by side, guys, we have these two vlogging camera. Yes, best vlogging camera in the market. Again, this is the Canon EOS R50, and this is the Sony Zv-E10. So both camera we put in same settings. One is to 50 shutter, 4.5 aperture, and ISO 500 with same autofocus it's all autofocus. And I'm using the built-in microphone from both camera. Again, this is the built-in microphone from Canon, and this is built-in microphone from the Sony. So again, let's try to use first the Canon. So this is the Canon R50, yes, and I'm using the BR-E1 holder. It's a holder, and actually the BR-E1 is not an holder. It's remote control, but it's included in the holder. So this is the quality of the Canon EOS R50 for vlogging 4K. Actually, this is 4K camera. So next is the Sony Zv-E10. This is the Sony Zv-E10. I use the white color of the camera, and again, same settings for the Canon R50. Autofocus is there, and in the next clip, I will try to use. We will try to compare the focusing of the R50 and the Zv-E10. So again, I will not do an editing special for the color and for the audio. Yes, so again, this is the built-in microphone from the Sony Zv-E10. So mukha ako nagbabaril dito, di ba? So Canon R50, Sony Zv-E10. So di ba? Canon R50, Sony Zv-E10. So okay, let's try to make a side-by-side comparison for the focusing. Who's fastest for focus? This is Canon, and this is Sony. So again, guys, I'm using both two cameras, and again, we will ask our colleague which the camera brand or camera R50 or Zv-E10 they prefer. So, natin si Palabo FW. Bye. Which camera do you think? Sony Zv-E10 or Canon R50?
Canon R50.
Canon R50. So 1 point for Canon R50. Check natin pa. Let's ask our colleague here. Okay. So, Julius, Canon R50 o Zv-E10?
DJI.
Namura ka tol. Which one? R50 or Zv-E10?
Zv-E10.
Okay, 1.4 Canon R50 and 1.4 Zv-E10. Ano tayo? Yan si Sir, ito mga Canon to eh. Bias to kasi Canon to siya. Ate, Canon R50 o Zv-E10?
Canon R50.
2 for Canon and 1 for Sony Zv-E10. So, check pa natin sila rito. Let's see. Sir, Sony Zv-E10 o Canon R50? R50, so 3-1. 3-1. 3 for Canon and 1 for Sony Zv-E10. Yung dalawang ipis. Pare. Sony Zv-E10 o Canon R50?
14 يوم المشكله انهم عدوا 14 يوم
Zv-E10. So 3-2. Guys, we done already test and ask our colleagues regarding which one they prefer, Canon or Sony. Yan. But for me, I love both of these camera guys, either Sony Zv-E10 or the Canon R50. So any of these camera guys can work perfectly to your vlogging. So it's up to you guys if you like the look of the Zv-E10 or the Canon R50. So ayan, I think that's it for today guys. Again, if you want to know more about our products, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. All the Sony product and Canon products is already in our website. So ayan, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay. Again guys, this clip is shoot in Sony Zv-E10. Yan, it's auto framing camera. So I think it's turned off. So yeah.